Hi, this is Busy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change your friend's name on Roblox. Before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. If you have been following me, you know I play games with my friends and play everything from Fortnite to Roblox and even console games. So Roblox games with your friend's son and you can customize on your Roblox friend's name. How to do it's very simple. On my previous video, I'll show you how to create Roblox account, how to set up your account. But now, what if you want to change your friend's name, the display name? It's very simple. First of all, of course, we have to open our Roblox. You can open it on your mobile apps or on the laptop. Now, you can choose on the account or your friends that you want to change the name. We'll open it on my connection. For the example, I will choose this. You can select on your friend's name. Now, you can click on three dots over here. There is an option customize name. You can just select on that. And in here, you can recognize connection more easily by setting a custom name. Your names import from contacts and custom names are only visible to you. Now you can like this. Don't forget to save it. And now you can see the display name is changed. You have changed your friend's display name. So you don't need to worry if you don't know when your friends change their display name and you uh, want to search for your name. You just can change their display name. You can customize your friend's name on your Roblox account. It's very simple, right? So that is how to change, how to customize your friend's name on Roblox. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.